To customize always on a display on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first of all, we're gonna open settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to personalization. Once you open personalization, in here we can find always on display. So in here we can go to display items in order to, for example, turn off or turn on the option that allows you to deactivate AOD when a battery saver is enabled. Also, we have a couple of different themes that we can of course use. We have a couple of presets, and you can also choose your own background if you wanted to do so. These options can be actually customized in some way. So if I choose this digital clock, for example, I can make some changes here and there, so be sure to check that out. And of course, if you decide to use one of these presets, you can usually find the apply button in here in order to start using it. And then in my theme, you can decide which theme you want to use if you decide to change it later on. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.